Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. Just gonna do a quick update video. Just wanted to show you what's going on since the storm. We had lots of rain and having a hard time just keeping the grass cut, much less anything else. So Olympian figs are looking good. Been harvesting a few of those. These grapes are looking good. These fire red grapes, they're good. They have a great grape flavor. However, it's a little tart at the end with the skins. I don't know what it is. And these white Thompson seedless grapes are good. I have picked most of the good ones off of here. They are super sweet. I mean, absolutely delicious. They should be better next year. The brown turkey fig has been doing great. I've been harvesting figs off of it. And when I say harvest, I mean just picking all the ripe ones and eating them right there on the spot. And you can look and see the trunk is way thicker. It's really starting to mature. So I did have a problem with the blackberries today. This particular branch had fallen over and I think it snapped at the bottom. I tied it up, but you can see it's obviously not getting any circulation, so I'm going to probably cut that one up and see if I can't root it. Other stalk's doing great. Got a lot of new growth. Even got a couple of blackberries on there. It's doing well. Mexican petunias, Confederate jasmine doing well. You can see in the chicken pen, I pulled up all the zucchini plants today. Hey Gertie. Just to get them out of the garden. And I just basically ran over the squash with the lawnmower. That was pretty easy. And I got a lot of weeding to do over here. Muscadines are looking good, man. We've talked about these several times. They should be ready to harvest in about a month and a half. Let's give you a bottom view. You can see tons of muscadines on here. So we're gonna have a good season with those. I'm excited to say. Let's see, some rose mallow there. That's a native to the deep south plant. I believe this one's called Devil's Tongue. A friend of mine at work gave me that last year. I planted it. The hummingbird vine is absolutely beautiful. I love that thing. I've been watching the bees and the birds go in and play with it. So, well, look at me telling you about the birds and the bees. All right, so I didn't do what I said I was going to do. I said I was going to pull these tomatoes up, but they're still producing. Now, do I need any more tomatoes? Absolutely not. So what I've been doing is just letting them go. And I really don't need any more tomatoes. But they're so good. Most of my tomatoes are actually just rotting on the vine, letting the birds have them or whatever. But what's wrong with that, right? I love watching the birds come in and out. So peppers are doing good. The banana peppers seem to be getting hotter as the year progresses. I've harvested all the bell peppers. They are yummy. Might have a few more. Here's some buds. Maybe, maybe not. The Tabasco peppers. That is the definition of prolific. Look at these things. I'd like to try some pepper sauce or something. I saw Dan at Home in the Sticks make some one time and it looked so good. Good job, Dan. This cucumber vine pretty much played out. You can tell by the color, it's just doing its thing. And you can see orange and yellow cucumbers. Those have gone to seed, and I'm not doing that intentionally. That green on green is hard to see sometimes. Matter of fact, you know, I just picked one of these a while ago. But you just miss them sometimes, and then you come out here a day or two later and they're giant. The okra's looking good. Well, hello there, Mr. Bumblebee. He's just chilling because it's actually raining as we speak again. But the okra's doing great. I've been coming out here and picking it, and my wife has been frying it, and man, she can cook that stuff like nobody's business. You can see the other cucumber vine over there. It's doing good, but this heat, man, we've been having temperatures in the 90s and heat indices in the hundreds, 104, 106. It's been a scorcher, man. Feels like we're steaming in a steam bath. You see the cantaloupes? That one's about ripe. That one there still lacks a little bit. I've harvested about 5 cantaloupes so far, and they have been absolutely delicious. Love them. You can see the milkweed is doing good. Gone to seed, so I'll continue to have milkweed all over the yard. And this is asparagus, guys. If y'all know that, see more milkweed down there. This is asparagus. I let it go to seed every year, and every year I have more and more asparagus. Man, I'm gonna tell you something. I love that stuff. That is probably my favorite plant out here. It's so delicious. Real quick, just want to show you. Do have a couple of sunchokes coming up. About 4 or 5 of them, it looks like. That's the pot I planted. I don't know if it was last year or the year before. Papa Pepper sent me. Thanks again, Papa Pepper. Those things are cool. I just let it, last year I let them come up and die back, and I cut them off. I didn't even dig them up. We'll see. I've been cutting these back. This honeysuckle was over here, and golly, the roots are unbelievable. I'll show you a pile of them in a minute. I still got a long way to go, but that's just a work in progress. Peach tree's looking good. The base on it's getting nice. I know, lots of weeds, lots of grass. You know, it is what it is. Look at this. You guys think I just come on here and show you when my yard looks good? Oh no. You know, we've been getting so much rain. I've been fighting with this grass and fighting with that. I use electric weed eater, electric lawnmower, and so it got so thick with all this rain, it goes through the battery like a knife through hot butter. But I'll just keep at it. The wife keeps at it too. She's helping. I don't want to sell her short. So, I was just gonna show you these honeysuckle weeds. I'll put them in the fire pit and I'll burn them later, along with a couple of cucumbers. We're having a cucumber roast. Anyways, that's what's going on in my backyard. We got some more rain coming in, so I'm gonna have to cut it off. But appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go out there and have some fun in your gardens, and until next time, happy gardening.